Hi everyone, welcome to week 16 of our class. This is our last week of regular classes here on campus. Next week is final exam week. I will make one more announcement next week regarding the final, but I'm going to also talk about it here today. So a couple of things. First, if you didn't watch my video last week and you missed out on the extra credit, it is now over. I cut that off on Sunday at the end of week 15. It was only offered during week 15, so you missed that. But most of you got in on it, so that's great. As a reminder, I sent emails back to those who missed 3 or more labs, meaning if you have 3 zeros in the grade book under your labs, your final grade's going to be affected. Remember, that's a course policy. It's in the syllabus. It was also asked in the quiz you took during week 1. And then finally, I emailed you back as a reminder, just so that it's not a big surprise, if your grade submitted to the college is different than what it is on Eagle. Some other things about late work. This Sunday is the last day for late work. Now, that doesn't mean anything you've missed in the class you can still complete. It simply means if anything is still worth credit, so essentially just this last week, week 15's work, can be submitted through Sunday. Nothing, absolutely nothing is accepted for credit after this Sunday, December 9th. And again, that's in the syllabus as well and on the quiz. So just a reminder on that. And then if you are going to submit late work, if you are unaware of it, there are penalty points taken, and you can see in the syllabus what the late work policy is in terms of how many points per day. And I realize at the end of the semester, most of you were quite familiar with this at this point if you've turned any late work in. I just want to show it to you. Here it is, right here. So again, nothing's accepted after December 9th. Labs, so again, the only lab that would be worth credit would be lab from last week, because after a week you can't get any points on it. Otherwise, it's 2 points per calendar day it's late. Movies are 1 point, and then everything else can't be done late. So that's where we are with that. In terms of our coursework, let's take a look at where we are. We're finishing up. We don't have much left. Look at all these weeks are closing. Let's close out 15. This week you've got your last regular exam, exam 4, over the last couple of chapters. And then next week the final exam is due by December 13th. And as a reminder, the final exam is taken in Eagle. Unlike the exams and everything you've done with the rest, this is in Eagle. You simply click here to take it. It's open now. If you want to go ahead and finish the course this week and be done, you can be done. All right, so as a reminder, there's some details and notes here for the exam, but otherwise it's pretty good to go. And that's all. You guys have a great week. I'll touch base next week one last time.